Hey guys, it's Super Sean. Today we're gonna have fun with a transformer, and I'm gonna show you how to transform it. It's very easy. So, okay. So first we have to just take the feet out. And then take out the legs. And take out the arms. Pull out the legs. And it's all standing. Now one more thing that we need to do. Just bust this thing out. And then take this part and show out the wings. Wings. And then you turn it around, just turn it around like that, and just put it like that, and that's how you transform one of these. And now I'm going to show you how to transform it back into a car. So first you need to snap the legs back together. Take out the wing part, which is the top of the car, and then you need to take that, put that in, just that, so now this, and just put the hood back in, put that, and that's how you make one of these things. So I'll show you more later. So bye-bye.